Marklin and Viessmann announces the new digital German DB Catenary Unimog maintenance rail car. This is a great new model with some incredible new innovations. The model has sound and all the bells and whistles. Now, let's see this amazing new model in action.
Overhead electric wires are a frequent source of trouble. Therefore, the DB Bahn construction group employs 2 Unimog used for repairs. This vehicle has also made it into this year's selection of new items. It was developed with the support of the Viessmann company. Here depicted is a pre-series version of the model, which still lacks all the lettering. The Unimog is built into a special frame. It comes with a vast number of sound functions thanks to the built-in MFX Plus decoder. Lighting inside the cab can be switched on separately. The 1650 type Unimog is coupled with a special wire repair car holding a compact maintenance-free motor. A cable reel is mounted on top. With the Unimog and its matching car, model railroaders will be able to recreate authentic scenarios on their layouts. Both Marklin models depict the prototypes as they looked in 2017.